Yo, what's happening? It's your dog. We back up in here, man. Doing this thing one more time. Today, man, we are on a mission, man. For MayRose 2.0. On a mission, man. I got a, I think I just found, well, I told y'all yesterday. Told y'all, I think the guy said he found the color that I was looking for. So I'm about to go down here and see what he got. See if he got that color. And I need to run by the fabric store to see this interior color, man. So yeah, right there, man, and see what's going on with these two places. Mr. Gary told me to come down there and holler at him down at Dunn's Upholstery. So I gotta go down there, man. And he actually found it for me. Getting stuff done, man. Getting stuff done, dog. For real. I need to though, but man, like, it feels good to be getting stuff done. So I'm about to hop on this old expressway. I want me something to eat, but I don't know what I want. But like I said, I don't like this shit. But yeah, man, we're finna hop on this slab and now get back with y'all, man. We get to this first destination, man. Yes, sir. We are here. We are here. Scott Fabrics. Let's go ahead and see what they got going on. What they say? What they say? Wholesale account hold. Oh, they said it opens a wholesale account holds only. Oh shit, I can't go in there. Let me call Tony. Hold on. Yeah, so that didn't quite go the way I wanted it to go. It wasn't bad, but they didn't, even though they said that it says that they were open to wholesale people, they didn't seem like they wanted to places a lot. It's cool. I don't look like I'm I didn't even go in there looking like I was, you know what I'm saying, with nobody. But I got something for that. I really don't even know why I came here. Because I really just wanted to see what was going on, like to be in an actual upholstery shop and just see what was going on. But I'm going to Dunn's Upholstery. Like that really just dawned on me, like right now, like, dude, you finna go to Dunn's. Like, why are you even going? Wasting your time with these people? Wasting these people's time. So yeah. I'm about to shoot out here to Dunn's Upholstery, holler at Mr. Gary, get that old get what he got for me. And yeah. Get what he got for me out here. And see if they got that material, because it's Dunn's Upholstery. Of course they got it. They not doing my interior though. They probably only gonna charge me like $5 million to do my interior. I don't have that type of money laying around right now. So come on, man. It's okay. It's okay for you to turn if nobody's coming. It's okay. Jeez. Yeah, man. Let me shoot down here to Dunn's, man. And I like that mirror right there. Like, MayRose got to come and take a picture by that. Like, I got to. It's just like the colors and all that stuff there just pop. Like, it just popped for MayRose. You feel what I'm saying? What y'all think about that? Do y'all got a whole bunch of like graffiti murals in y'all city? Y'all, where y'all at? Cause I'ma need them too. I'ma need y'all to hop down in the comments and tell me who got that too. You know what I'm saying? Who got them murals and things like that, man? Because I like to see that type of stuff. Like, you know what I'm saying? Even if I ain't got MayRose, like, I'll go over to just take a picture of it, just to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I go to the spot, to the mural spot, right, and get the people that's on the mural spot. Like, I get their ad off there, go follow them and everything on Instagram and all that stuff, whatever they got listed. You know what I'm saying? Because I like that type of stuff. I like working with artists. You know what I'm saying? Them people be like, you got to be a talented individual, man, to draw on a building. Bro, that's crazy. But yeah, let me shoot the Dunn's, man, and I'll hit y'all right back. .403 Union Avenue. Oh boy. Yes sir, man. Dunn's Upholstery, the one and only, man. No, so I don't even know why I went to the other place. I guess I just wanted to see. I don't know, I guess I just want to see if they had it, but yeah, let me walk up in here, man. See what we got going on. Hold on for a second. I don't know what happened to my camera in there, but yeah, so I got my pinstripe. I'm gonna go and sit it on the car and see how that's gonna look, man. Nope, I'm not showing y'all what the color is, but I will tell you that the interior color that I'm planning to do. Nah, you know what? I don't even want to tell you that either. But anyway, they didn't have it. Dunn's didn't have it. The other place didn't have it. So, but he told me to get the year make and model of the vehicle that is coming, that the color is coming out of, and he should be able to find something at least similar. So yeah, that works for me. Now I'm about to go and I guess try to find me something to eat, man. I don't know what I want. I don't want nothing downtown. I don't want to deal with it. I'm trying to find somewhere to park just to eat and all that. I don't want to deal with it. But yeah. MayRose 2.0, man. It's gonna hit you hard, boy. It's gonna hit you hard. And I gotta see what's up with this motor stuff. I ain't gonna do that today though. Yeah, man. We out here working. Trying to get it together. I wanna go to like a little mom and pop restaurant or something. I'll figure that out, man. Yeah, look at that. Who was that? That's Duty, man. Tell him what's up. Say what's up, YouTube. Yeah, this one picked up Duty. Now we headed to the crib. So the next, are we going to see mommy? Yeah. The next video that I'm gonna be dropping is not the next video I'm gonna drop. Next time I pick the camera up, I will be either inside the Jeep installing the 6.5, or yeah, I think that's what's next up. So yeah, when I pick the camera back up, I'm gonna be in the Jeep doing that. Yeah, yeah, boy. I like doing this, man. I've been doing a lot of little content, so I feel like I've been getting my videos out, so. Yeah, gotta get the other videos. Gotta get them videos out. So, yeah. Head to the house and chill for a second. And then get to work, so. I'll see y'all then, man. Yeah. Yo, Shannon, man. So I picked the camera up, and I know I told y'all the next video that I was gonna, the next time I picked the camera up was gonna be me installing the 6.5s in the Jeep, man. Well, we came into a little bit of a dilemma. Nothing that I can't solve, but on the Jeep, man. Of course, it's the speakers that's in the Jeep, I think, are 4-bolt setup, I think. Let me see. Let me make sure. Well, we ain't gotta do all that, man. I can't even see them. They're a 3-bolt. They're a 3-bolt setup. And I bought these adapters right here to make them a 4-bolt setup. But I only got 2 of them. I only got 2 adapters. So I need to get 2 more adapters before I can do it. And I don't want to do some speakers now. I don't want to do 2 speakers now and then do 2 speakers later, which I could, but I don't want to do this more than once. You know what I'm saying? I want to do this once, get it done. So yeah, man. I'm gonna postpone it until I get 2 more of those adapters, because the speakers gotta come out of here. They gotta come through the glove box on this side, and they gotta come out of the bottom of the dash on this side. So I don't even want to deal with that. I know I ain't gonna want to deal with that more than once. So I'm going to get 2 more of those. I got the wiring parts right here. So all I gotta do is do that. You know what I'm saying? Put those in there and then we'll be good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's gonna be pretty much it for this video. I appreciate y'all for coming through, man. If you haven't already, man, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, man. Share these things, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, as y'all can see, MayRose is not in the garage. Yeah, we ain't gonna worry about that. But that's a video to come. But yeah, I'll let y'all know what's up with that in a little bit. But yeah, as far as the G, man, yeah, we're gonna hold off on that until I get those other 2 adapters, and then we're gonna go ahead and install that. I still gotta get the amp and all that, but that'll be something. So yeah, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't the Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one.